karela with chicken, and it's going to be yummy. And I'm already starving. So let's get on to the video. So for making karela, you need bangans. For making karela, you need some karela cut like this, like my eyeball, and some salt to make it tasty and classical. Plate to eat it, obviously. If you are BP patient, don't add too much oil. Salt. Add 2 or 1. I can't take it out, guys. So I need to do it this way. 1, and there's a plate underneath it to if the water drains it. Shaky, shaky, shake. And the lap is not leaf. I can't take it out again. Cool. Help! Now I'm gonna mix it with my hands. Before I do that, I'm making a big mess for my mom. But don't try this at home. Making a mess for your mother. Make sure your hands are clean. Stop. And the water will drain in the plate if there's any water. Ooh. And we will put it in the. We leave it for 2 to 3 hours out. Keep on mixing the karelas. Ooh. Now we are going to wash the karelas, but look at all the excess remaining water in the plate. It's good, it's not bad. The people is back, and now I will wash it. And make sure to have a flexible washer, and I will also use it with my hand. Sorry guys, and you need to wash it properly so the all remaining salt gets over it. I'm washing it properly so all the salt gets off it. Now I'm going to drain all the water by squeezing them. Take them in your hand and then like this, quick, like that, and then we're going to cook them in hot oil. Now we're going to leave them 3 to 5 minutes so the all water can drain, and then we can cook them in hot oil. I will see you when the all water drains. Let's move on to the recipe before wasting some time. Ooh. Yeah, you need tomatoes to chop like this, and onion like this so they can properly dissolve, and they should be thin so can dissolve. And karela that we already fried. Chicken 750 grams. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon salt to taste. Chili, red chili, half of teaspoon, 4 to 5 cut, and 2 lemons. Cup oil. 1-2 minutes, let the oil heat and add onions. And make sure to use parents' advice so you don't get burned. Fry the onion until they're light golden and brown. Now it's golden and brown. Let me show you how it turned out. And now we are going to add the chicken in it. You can add ginger garlic paste. Looks delicious. Fry until chicken changes its color. Be quick. Chicken has changed its color. We will add tomatoes. well. That's spicy, right? Even a spoon of dhania powder, I forgot to tell you. Mix it well. We're gonna mix it well, and then we will put the flame on low, and now we will cover it. अब मैं इसको 5 to 10 मिनट्स कुक होने दूंगी और मैं फिर इसके अगर ये अपने पानी से कुक कर रहा है तो इसको कुक होने दे. अगर if you feel like the chicken is you can add a little tiny bit of water. After 10 minutes of cooking, it looks something like this. And mash all the tomatoes. Hit the bell icon if you like this and comment down below if you like this too. Hola. मैंने अपना ऑयल छोड़ दिया और अब हम इसमें करेले ऐड करेंगे. And now let's mix it up. Then we will add 4 more tomatoes. 2 medium onion size like this. And start mixing it with the tomatoes and karelas and chicken and tomatoes and chicken and spicy and everything. Turn the flame to low and then cover it. Now I'm going to mix the mighty food well. And then we're going to add some lemon juice. And we're going to add the lemons. Let's take a refill. And now I will put the lid on and leave it for 10 minutes. We'll open the lid. And as you can see, it has left its oil. And now I will harnish it with green peppers. Mix it. Let's check it out in a bowl and eat it. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. So now let's open this yummy food up. So here's the one I will eat it with it, of course. So, ooh, smells so delicious. Yeah, take it out and munch on it. And now let's take out a potty. Some chicken needs some help. That's enough. And now let's so good. I think I'll end this video here. I hope you like this video. If you did, smash that like button. See you next time. Bye. Like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video.